Hello guys, I'm here in BCCR.
So this is way to document the laboratory, guys. This is the testing document laboratory. This is the last wheel item 1C and item B 1 to 2.
This is fluorescent. Fluorescence lamp are a type of energy-efficient lighting that produce light by using electricity to excite mercury vapor. And this is Focal projector or PP250 is a tabletop optical measure device used to project the profile or outline of small part onto a screen 250 mm diameter so you can accurately expect and measure its dimension, angle, edge, etc. And this is a multifunction detector operational manual. It's a short guides that explain how to safely use, maintain, and troubleshoot a detector device that has several sensing functions. Example, gas detection, metal. A horseshoe lens is a type of microsubstance shaped like a horseshoe. That's the lens itself. It provides table supports for the Microsoft commonly seen in older or basic Microsoft models. This is the last one. Ultraviolet lamp is a lighting source that emits UV radiation used for purposes like sterilization, curing, detecting substance, or tanning. Ultraviolet.